Okay, so it's been a few days and I'm just heading down here to the shed. Done a bit of cleaning up around the place, and I'm hoping today that I'm going to get to the point of actually lowering the car off the hoist and checking out what it's got, what it needs and how it's doing as the camera sorts its stuff out. Today let's get rid of all the stuff from under the GT-R and lower the hoist and see what we're playing with. Okay, for the moment of truth. Nice. Built motor, pistons, rods, factory crank, all race prepped. All the oil mods of the day, including a drain back with the overflow. You can see down in here somewhere. ID1000s are the injectors that are in it at the moment. Running a Power of C to Jetro. Twin spark shiny goodness. With factory coils. Tomei cams with a 9.15mm lift. And Trust T517Zs, a pair of them. With the split dumps, blitz filters, Koyo rad, ARC engine oil cooler in there, and intercooler. Another engine oil cooler here, carbon fibre bonnet. The cabin might be a bit hard to see in the dark. Digital dash, old school when you ran a boost controller. Bunch of Defi gauges and the Jetro hand controller. Over there on the where the glove box is the data logger, compact flash card data logger. Ride seat. Full cage, homemade door trims. I need a set if anyone has some. Bit of history. She's dusty. Water reservoir for the brakes. We made a custom made water cooling kit for the brakes, which worked really well. The oldie fuel system, pair of 044s running E85. All the relays to do with it. Hopefully that's not dead. And the obligatory GT wing on the back. Oh, it's going to be great to get this thing going. I can't wait. Hope everybody is half as excited as I am. Welcome to the GT-R, the start of the build. Modernising the old beast. Can't wait to tell you what's coming up. Ciao! Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks since we first went into the shed here. Been pretty busy cleaning up, moving into the house, doing all that good stuff. But finally, it's time to do the first bit of work on the GT-R. And it's not very glamorous. It's going to be doing the sump bolt and helicoiling it. When I first built the car 12, 13, 15 years ago, we didn't helicoil the alley sump, so it's time to put a helicoil in there and seal it up. Captain Thread just left. He's done a stellar job of drilling, retapping, helicoiling the sump bolt, and it's not leaking anymore, which is fantastic. Now I just got to find all the other leaks and fix them up.